you think this guy wouldn't care? Talking big from one tower, but when a wave hit, when a fire burn, he no send help. He sent ice, he sent bills, not aid. This the truth, not the news.
Trump win, drop the cuts, now the keiki get less. Day away, lose cash, lunch lines get stressed. He take the Medicaid, tell kūpuna ball, but we the state with the oldest. How that sound now? He jack up the tariffs, now the food costs high. Every plate lunch taxin out the sky. From Lānaʻi to Līhuʻe, the shelves run bare. And brother still talking like he really care. Try scrap clean energy, stall the solar, push coal back, brah. We live closer to the tide than you ever will. Roll back the reef laws you tryna kill. He know for us, he know for the land. Cut the roots while we hold the sand. Talk big game but no land hand. Trump no aloha, just command. He know for us, he know for the land. Cut the roots while we hold the sand. Talk big game but no land hand. Trump no aloha, just command. He sent ice down the west side, raid the farms. Workers run keiki, cry in makua arms. The Filipino teachers, you went and treat like crooks, even though they teaching in all our books. Muslim ban hit hard, we went take the stand. AG file a case, defend the aina hand in hand. He call it security, we call it shame. But in this state, Kanaka bleed the same. Try block disaster aid if your state vote blue. So what if Mona blow? He no come through like Puerto Rico. Like Cali burn, he let us drown, then watch the earth turn. He know for us, he know for the land. Cut the roots while we hold the sand. Talk big game but no land hand. Trump no aloha, just command. He know for us, he know for the land. Cut the roots while we hold the sand. Talk big game but no land hand. Trump no aloha, just command. You like cut the aid, we still give the care. You ban the fams, but our Ohana stay there. You poison the reef, we throw net with prayer. You strip the values, but we still share. He no respect the aina, no protect the kai. Only care if the land get condo high. No fund the clinics, mental health drive. But he fund wall dreams with ice guys. He call us drain, but we feed the plate. From Kona beans to Waikiki Gate. You kill the fishery, still take the bait. But we stand strong, not built on hate. He know for us, he know for the land. We grow kalo, not obey command. Cut the lifeline, still we stand. This Hawaii, not his brand. He know for us, he know for the land. Cut the roots while we hold the sand. Talk big game but no land hand. Trump no aloha, just command. Aloha not just smile and shaka. Aloha is defense, aloha is fierce. You like run the show, not here. We get values, we get roots, we get each other. You get eviction notice, brother. So what you know?